Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 30th of May. Taurus, your channel message is the Knight of Wands, the Moon card, political agenda. So I'm getting something about a Pisces and a Leo. It could be Pisces and an Aries, or a Pisces and a Sagittarius. Something about this bet you guys made when it comes down to something political, okay? This could also be something about a political figure who's very promiscuous. I'm getting them trying to run for office, okay? I'm also getting, you might not know someone's true identity. I'm getting somebody was either mayor, then was a politician. I'm not sure if it was back in their home country or that's what they're aspiring to be. But I'm getting somebody not telling you who them is. They're not telling you them true identity. I'm getting something about politics. But I'm getting it's a very promiscuous man. So I don't know if I'm trying to sleep him way to the top. He needs to take a page out of the French president's book and see if he can sleep with an 80-year-old old woman that will give him political rights. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's see what is in your love cards first. First card out is date. Yeah. I'm getting he's very promiscuous. Every week him gone on a new date. We have meeting someone new, dating, getting back out there, plan or set a date, okay? Maybe you have a lot of influence, so this man wants to be seen out with you. We also have love. Unconditional love, self-love, oneness, passion, affection, and attraction. I'm not sure if this man is dating, claiming that he's looking for love or he's looking for a partner. I'm getting that's not what he's looking for. He's looking to be popular, especially among women, so that him, I don't know how much women I'm going to sleep with for buy the votes. But me getting a lot of dating, a lot of dating. I don't know if this is something about like a dating show. This is something about the Bachelor. And you know that no fucking way in hell are you going to search for love while dating more than one woman at a time. You don't have a fucking show dating 12 different contestants and you plan to find love. That's not how it works. And are you sleeping with all 12? And chances are, if 6 not gonna sleep with you until they're chosen, you're gonna sleep with the other 6 that will give you access to them vagina before you even make the selection. That is not no way to find real love. So I'm getting all of these people are hopeless romantic people, or them just want camera time. I could never go on a dating show. Never. That's pathetic. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Taurus. I don't know if somebody had you on a dating show, them asked if you come to dinner with them and there was cameras somewhere, and them I try to portray it as in you and them going out on a date and you're a potential love. Meaning you don't know what's happening, you had nothing to do with it, and you're Taurus. You stay away from promiscuous men. Taurus is the Hierophant. Taurus is also the Empress. Unless you're looking for an emperor, chances are you're not looking for a friends with benefits and you're not looking for a bed partner. Let's go. First card out. Ooh. First card out is the 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, you're talking about bodies. Me getting somebody have a lot of soul ties. Me getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because there's skulls here. That's like every time them go out on a date, them a kiss these women. So out of 10 women we are trying to date, 3 don't want to kiss you on TV and you kiss all 8. What kind of saliva you exchange among women? Me getting somebody's soul dead inside. Because them very, very promiscuous. Might as well it was paying prostitutes. Because taking girls out on dates and paying for dinner and then bringing them back home to have sex with them. Like your soul gone. There's no way in hell you're going to tell me you're looking for love. That's not how you look for love. Especially when you're trying to divide your attention among more than one woman at a time. Or you're trying to make all of these women for compete. So you're putting women in positions where they're going to be jealous. Or they're going to feel insecure because of other women that you're... Okay, you date me today, you date another girl tomorrow. And then who you spend Valentine's Day with. You're getting somebody dead inside. Them dead, them full of all soul ties. I'm getting you have a lot of... We also have the 7 of Wands. All right. Yeah, I'm getting fishy scent. I'm getting you not have sex with a condom on either. Because maybe you have, that's why, yeah, you're getting your soul dead inside. Probably you not use protection. That's why you use protection to protect your vaginal and penile fluids from mixing with each other. Because I'm getting you're not a soul. Or I'm getting beer. I don't know, I'm getting you're dead inside because you have sex with too much woman in a very, very short space of time. We also have the King of Pentacles. Yeah, that's the devil riding a coin. A big, big coin. Yeah, you're dead inside. You don't look for love. You're the devil. It's either you have a sex addiction, and me getting either on TV, or you're making all of these girls feel like you're the perfect gentleman. You're the perfect religious figure. Sorry, you're the devil. That's what you are. And the devil has no interest in loving. Especially not loving one person. Me getting you have a lot of money, but with money comes your soulless activities. Me getting your soulless. Me getting your fuck out, basically. This is not about high body count. And yesterday, I had on a Canadian shirt and I made a joke that the body count is 10. Sir, my body count is not 10. If I tell you my body count, you probably hide your face. Listen to me, I didn't get where I get with 10 body counts. Let me motherfucking tell you that, bitch. The 7 of Wands is clarified by the lovers. You say, yeah, look for love. This is Gemini. This is what you say. I'm sorry, it was supposed to... Yeah, you say, yeah, look for love. But look on these skulls. At whose sacrifice? So you're saying that you're going to date 7 different women to see which one you're compatible with. Well, you're breaking 6 hearts. You have 6 women to cry. You have 6 women to feel jealous. And you string along 6 different women. How long does it take you to say, I love you? How long it take you for find out say you love somebody? 1 year, 1 month, 5 years. No wonder why you stay in relationships where you're unhappy. Me not need 1 month to know if I love somebody or not. Or I don't want to be with them. Me not need long for do that. Because you're saying you're looking for love. You want your soulmate. I'm looking for a partner. Well, while you're looking for a partner, you have about 8 different soul ties in your cock. But you're passing it off as love. You're getting your one pet for follow you around. For always listen to you and be there for you. I don't know what you look for. You look for your animalistic companion. The 7 of Wands is clarified by the King of Pentacles. We have King of Pentacles 2 times. It's not clarifying each other, but that's double King of Pentacles. Because I'm getting this is how you look, but you take these women on dates. But this is your real intention. Maybe with all the women you're taking out, you make footage and you upload the footage online for remake money on the expenses of desperate women who's searching for love. Ain't no real ass bitch going on a dating show. Those are desperate, insecure, low IQ women. I'm telling you. Come and getting you use your money. Oh, I'm a bachelor. Yeah. You don't see something wrong that you're a bachelor. You're 45, 39, and you have a woman. You know, so something wrong. Something is wrong. Your soul have to be sold. You're so successful, and you have a woman. And you have to audition 10. Forget the one where you want. What kind of nastiness is that? I'm getting the conversation is, so, I want you to do a STD testing before we go ahead and go to the next step. And you tell 9 different women say you want to have sex with them without a condom. And if them I give you sex without you choosing them, you gotta take it. Because ain't no fucking man on a dating show is dating 10 girls and him not gonna kiss none and him not gonna have sex with none. And probably the ones you're having sex with is not the one you're choosing. Your soul dead. You know to say you're dead inside. You're a corpse. You're a walking corpse. The King of Pentacles is clarified by the 2 of... Yeah, see? Because you say you want... Yeah, tell everybody say how you're a bachelor and you want love. But there's a reason why all of your love lives are failing. You have too much dead soul ties in you. Because we have the Lovers card over here. But what you really want, you want to switch up your scene. The Two of Cups, the Lovers card is supposed to be somebody forever. So you want somebody, you want a girl, and these bitches have to be delusional if you can watch a reality TV show of you on a dating show and a man kiss one, tell one, say him don't want them, one girl say she waiting until marriage, and when the the man choose you, you have to watch the man fuck all 6 contestants but him choose you in at the end. What kind of shit is that? You say you want love, you don't want love, you want date around. That's what you want. You want to switch your scene. The devil is here. We have love and we have date. Are you dating for love or do you love to date? Because I don't think you're looking for a soulmate. I don't think you're looking for the one. You're looking for a good time. And any woman that's willing to give it to you. We have Shark. We have Libra. We have Illuminati. Ain't no Illuminati. Let me motherfucking tell you this, Grandmaster Mason. Ain't no fucking real ass bitch going on a dating show and that bitch gonna watch that man fuck one, go to bed with one, bring one on a romantic date, and then after the season finish, him choose her, and that bitch think him going to be loyal to her when him couldn't even date one at a time. Him have to audition 12. Bitch, bye. You look like, yeah, use all of these girls' energies. That's what the fuck you're doing. We have MK Ultra. And we also have Mars. And on top of you having these girls there, why you teach these girls? You're making these girls very comfortable with polyamory. With, I'm going to choose you. I haven't spent enough time with you today. And I got to know Isabel. And I didn't get to know you. So I feel like the reason why we're not connecting is because you need to show your personality more. Meaning you need to show your tits more. What kind of shit? You're making the girls comfortable with sharing you. Even the Bachelorette. You have 10 men a date. How much of them you kiss on a show? That makes sense to you? Sweetie, these are camera whores. That's what the fuck it is. I could never be that fucking desperate. And if you ever see me up on a TV show, when a man bring me out, please come to my table and tell me something up on camera so I can run. Fuck out of here. I'm going to leave it here, Taurus. Until next time, bye.